Hello, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, founder of I30 Media Corp and author of the Lean Media book blog and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm going to be talking about setting up an Amazon coupon, and this is the 2021 edition because I haven't done this for a few years. And I think it's good to revisit it because I think it is really an effective program. After you watch the video, if it's helpful to you, if you could follow me on YouTube and like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. One other thing, you are responsible for following all of Amazon's terms and conditions, and as you probably know, if you cross Amazon the wrong way or you don't follow their policies, you can have serious consequences for that, and I wouldn't want that to happen to anybody. Coupons are actually a great way to advertise some of the products on your Amazon store, and let's take a look and see how they work. So go to Amazon Seller Central. I'm assuming, first of all, you are an Amazon FBA seller and you are selling your own products. Maybe you have an Amazon brand registry, so you have products that you want to promote. Go to advertising, coupons. Okay, so right now I don't have any coupons running, but if I wanted to, I could take a look at the coupons that I've had running in the past by clicking on expired. It lets you quickly launch old campaigns that were successful, and you can determine if they're successful by kind of looking at this column over here. Clips, that means the number of times someone's actually clicked on the coupon on Amazon versus redeemed. And if you have a high clip rate as well as a high redemption rate, that's probably a good sign the coupon is working. However, keep in mind that it could also be a sign that your coupon is giving away too much. So in this particular case, this is one of the products that we sell. I want to create a coupon for it. It costs $24.99. So let's say that I want to create a $1 coupon for this particular item. That's not too much. It won't eat into my margins too much, and I think it will help to give this particular product a little extra visibility. So let's do it. Go to create a new coupon. Actually, let's start again. Go to advertising, coupons. You'll be brought to this screen. This is your running screen. Just type create a new coupon. And the first step is to add a product. And you can search by SKU or ASIN. So a lot of the time, I just actually go right to the product page. And then I scroll down to find the ASIN. ASIN is the Amazon identification number. You can see it right under product information, ASIN. Let's blow this up a little bit. And then I'm just going to highlight that, copy it. Windows would be Control-C, Mac would be Command-C, and then go back to your coupons tool and paste it in there. And click Go. Here it is, add to coupon. Now, one thing you can do is you can add multiple items to the coupon. So let's say that you wanted to create like a special limited time sale for 5 of your products. You could just find the products, keep on searching for the ASIN, and then clicking Go, and then adding it just like I did that. If you make a mistake, you can just click Remove. Once you're ready with your coupon, go to the next step. So it gives you two options here. This actually hasn't changed since the last time I did this type of video. So you do money off or percentage off. I found that if you do percentage off, it will block you if it's too low and it's not enough. Well, same thing with money off. So we require the discount to between 5% and 80% of your lowest price for the product in the last 30 days. I mean, 80%. I can't imagine doing that, but oftentimes I do 5% sales or 10% sales. Let's see what happens when I try to add $1 off, if it lets me do it. You can also set this up so, yes, limit redemption to 1 per customer. No, allow my coupon to be redeemed multiple times by the same customer. This means that if, let's say, the people, they want to buy 10 of these, and the customer can redeem them multiple times, then they'll get $1 off of each one that they buy. So, budget. So the way that the coupon pricing works is there's the discount that you're giving, and then also Amazon takes off an additional amount. I can't remember exactly what the formula is, but you'll see that this particular cost is being charged depending on how many times people basically are redeeming the coupon. So I'm going to create a budget of $100 and then click Continue Next Step. Now, coupon title, what customers will see. So for more effective coupon title, choose a definition that accurately describes the product group that you added to your coupon. Example, save 5% on hand sanitizers. Now, I've actually done a lot of testing on this, and you can see here are the titles that I used. One thing you can do is you can use caps. I found that to be effective. For my particular products, I found that using certain types of terms like professional genealogist forms, Sometimes that can be very effective, and you can see right over here 53 clips and redemption rate of more than 50%, so that's pretty effective. So let's do that. And actually, this product is really aimed at professional genealogists. Professional genealogist forms. Okay. You select if you want to make it available to all customers, Amazon Prime members, Amazon student members, Amazon family members. Okay. I'm doing all customers. And the start date. So I usually like doing things month by month. So I'm going to start on April the 1st, April Fool's, and I'm going to end it a month later. Continue to the next step. This shows you what the coupon looks like, and this is actually pretty useful. Save $1 on professional genealogist forms. It's a little bit cramped there. It won't look like that when you see it on Amazon. The other thing I've discovered with coupons is that they put a little green flag on the search results and on your catalog pages or Amazon store page when you're browsing around, which is helpful to get visibility. People do see it. And then you click Submit Coupon. Okay. It also prompts me if I want to create an advertising campaign around that, and no thank you, I don't want to do that. We've received your coupon submission. You'll be able to edit your coupon up to 6 hours before the start date, and then there's some other information about this. If there's a problem with your coupon, it might stop you even before you get to this step, or you'll get a notice from Amazon that it rejected it for some particular reason. And a rejection reason might be maybe you use some language that they don't like when you're promoting the title, like it's not accurate. I'm not sure these days if it's an algorithm or a human being reviewing these things. I suspect it's probably an algorithm, but sometimes things don't make sense, and if necessary, you can go to their support lines, the support for Amazon Seller Central, and try to get someone to help you out if there's a particular problem. But these particular coupons are very good promotions. People do like them, and it does result in sales because people do see the little green flag next to the coupon, and people like to get a deal. And keep in mind, your coupon doesn't have to be a crazy discount, at least not for the products that I'm selling. I do like to give coupons to customers. I found they can be effective, and that's how to create them. If this video has helped you, please like it and follow me on YouTube. I have lots more videos about Amazon programs, including Amazon Seller Central, Amazon FBA, Amazon advertising, as well as other types of selling platforms such as Shopify, and even I have a few WordPress WooCommerce videos as well. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.